Hiya, welcome to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. I'm on today to finally complete the last savings challenges for February. This week now it's the 100 envelope challenge and all the dice games, so let's get to it. It's £140 I have here to stuff, and let me count it: 20, 40, 60, 80, £120, 130, 40, and I will get the dice out, and I think I'll do a couple of wooden ones, why not? And let's get started. Here is my box, my 100 envelopes, and whatever numbers the dice lands on, I will count the envelopes, and whatever the number on the envelope is, I will cash stuff. So let's do this. Okay, so we've got 6 and 5 is 11. Let's count 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And that's £5. Okay. And I think I should start from here. I think so, yeah. So that's £5. And let's... 3 and 1 is 4, so let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. Another £5. It's just to give me a chance to get further down in the envelopes, if that makes sense. So there we have it. We stuffed 2 envelopes today, and these will go behind here, and we'll start fresh next time around with that one. So that one's finished. I'll put that away so I can have some space on my desk. Oh, I'm so glad that finally have got to the end of February cash stuffing, and now I am going to do my £150 dice. Let's see what we're gonna do. Use the purple. I just love purple. Oh no, let me do the blue. That blue has just caught my eye. And let's see what dice we can use. I want to use blue. Let's do 2 blues. Okay. Rightio. So let's go. So that's 5 and 4 is 9. Let's get the calculator out. 9. So we've got 5 and 4. 5 and 1, that's 6. 5 and 1, 5 and 1. Let's do some more. It's £15 so far. 5 and 2 is 7. That's 22. So 5 and 2. That's 22, and we'll just put 25 in. That's that. That's that one. Remember last week with last week I've forgotten, with the Roland Strike. Wow, I striked out a whole box. I was so pleased. Right, so that's the big one done. And then we've got the Roland Strike. Love this game. Really love this game so much. Let's get a red. Oh, I wish I should have. That's what I stuffed last week. And this week, I think we'll do red. Only 1 dice is required for this one. I'm going to start looking for some more dice games. We've got 3, 4, 6, 6. Okay, so we've got 5 and 7, 8. So we've got £8 there. Let me just put 8 there, and let's strike these out. That's £8. And let's do another one. 6, 3, so we've got 5 and 4 is 9, 10 and 2 is 12. Add 12. That's £20. So we will just put £20 in the roll and strike. Another savings. Let's just mark this off. Great. That's done. Next, we've got 52 weeks. This is my 52 weeks, and I am going to use what dice? Let's do was it 2 that I used last week? 4 and 3, 7. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's £30. Okay, let's get some change. Let's do 40 here and put that 10. Okay, and I'll just mark that off. So that's 2, 4, 6, 7. That's £30. The next one is the monthly, the mini monthly. We're in March. Let's do 2, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20. Let's do 5, 10, 15, 20. There we go. That's for the mini monthly. Great. For March. See what dice we want to use. Use the white, and I'm going to use 2. really enjoy playing the dice games. I enjoy it so much. So we've got 20, 30, 35. Let's see what we can do. That 6 and 3 is 9. Let's make sure you can see everything. That's in the glare too much. Yeah, that's 9. So that's 6 and 3. 12, 2 6s, 12, that's 21, 6 and 2 is 8. Let's do a 5 and a 1. 5 and 1, that's 6. And let's do a 2, yeah. Right. That's £29. That's okay. Let's leave it as that. Let's do £30, and then I will put this for rollover and add it towards my sinking funds. That's what I decided to do. Right, and that can go into the little one here, so then at least it's nearby. I can always slip roll over into it. So that is me this week. As I said, I'm very happy that I have completed February, so now I will be just concentrating on the first week in March. If you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Don't forget now, save what you have. Don't think that you've got too little to save. It all amounts to something, so just do it. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now.